Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Rubik's, well not my Rubik's Cubes, well I am showing you some Rubik's Cubes, but my fidget toys. Alright, so basically what a fidget toy is like a fun toy, basically. An example here is a fidget toy, a Rubik's Cube. This is one of mine. You could twist and turn it, you want to solve it. That's one. Now here's my other one. This is my other one. Has stickers on it, and you know what it does. Alright, now moving into this. I only have one of it, but it's like an example of what we're going to show after this. It's a fidget spinner, but it's also what we're going to show now. What is a puppet. I'll show you this one. It's very cool. I'll show you this one. Alright, I'll see if I can show it really good. Alright, so maybe I can. There we go. Alright, so that's pretty cool, I would say. This is also how it looks like LED lights. It really does on camera, but doesn't in real life. Yeah. It's weird. Alright, now keep that running for some entertaining sound. There's some entertaining sound for you guys. Alright, now back to the. Alright, let's get to more of the video. And I'll show you my first puppet I ever got. This. It's an Among Us puppet. I'll pop the whole thing for you guys. I don't know what I turned into. What did my channel turn into? An entertaining channel that you guys can watch. That's family friendly. I guess that's what I did. Alright, well, the fidget spinner stopped. Now I'll show you guys my second puppet. It's a, it's a burger puppet. Alright, there's my burger puppet. My third puppet. I'll show. Well, this is my fourth puppet. I'll show you my third puppet for last. My biggest puppet. There that is. Well, the keychain came off, but this one's keychain didn't. This one's very flexible on the good side. Look at this one. It's very flexible. And then we got my sixth puppet. The last one was my it's an angel puppet. There's like very little spots in here. There's that puppet. Then I'll show you my final fidget toy. This is a good side. I'm sorry guys, but the good side is not on yet. It's barely on, but we got my huge rainbow puppet. I'll show you guys like about in 4 minutes. This video is a short video. Well, since it was only 4 minutes, I'm gonna make another Beast Wars video. Yeah! Alright, so here's this one. There's some of the good stuff. It's huge. Well, yeah, I was doing this thing. Hope you liked it, and hope you like poppets, fidget spinners, and Rubik's Cubes, because, yeah, they're cool. Right, bye guys, hopefully I could get the intro into this one. If you already saw the intro this one, Alright, I'll try with CapCut.